Good afternoon, everybody. Matt over at the Red Rooster, 121 East Grand Avenue in Lake Villa. We will be open this Saturday and Sunday, 9 to 2. We'll do a little video walkthrough of what came in and kind of just go from there. We've got the Homina golf bag here in the black and red. That guy's 115. One of the signature drivers. That guy's 105. Some basic plants over there in the corner. I know we just did some price changes on some of that stuff. We have a bunch of the Arctica Sunalock panels, $35 a box. We have, there's some more down a different aisle too. Oh, let's see. It's random. It was a very random load of stuff this week. So, we got a bunch of the Chef IQ barbecue probes, $50. That's a 2-pack. They're rechargeable. Let's see, calendar sets, the Beast blenders, and what else? Cuisinart immersion blenders. Those guys are what, $24. Serving bowls. Another one of the Almond Cow Complete plant-based milk systems for $125. Rice cookers, what else? $50. Induction cooktops, food savers. Got a couple of these that came in. They're serving set for one, 4-piece, $18. Random bed sheets, pillows. Oh, what else we got in here? Mattress pads, curtains, a wine rack. That guy's $30. Eye creams. What else we got in here? Let's see, lotions, overnight oats by the package. Different vitamins, heated blankets. What do we got here? A little infrared space heater. That guy's $38. A few of the easy bake ovens. Those guys are $22. Snow cannons, $30 a piece. $42 for the 48-foot string lights. They do have white, blue, yellow, and red. $20 for the 3-pack lanterns. $55 for the garbage disposal. Got a bunch of open pans again. So they're broken down by the set. This guy here is all green pan set here. Most of those are $15, $10 to $15 a pan. There's also some KitchenAid sets in here, different colors. And there's complete sets down there. $107 for the whole complete set. $75 for the KidCraft dollhouse. This guy is about 5 foot tall. Some of the bathroom fixtures. For the freestanding tubs, $200. These guys here are $52 a piece. And got them in multiple colors. There's brushed nickel, matte black. I believe there's some chrome, maybe some gold left in there. And these guys here, which are the single, they are $31. Few new furnace filters came in. We got those across the top. If you can't reach any of this stuff, just grab one of the people on the floor. They will give you a hand. Oh, let's see. Tankless hot water heaters, $250. We do also have the pipe work for the exhaust for that one. 31-inch indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. It is $200. And they show a white one, but it should be the brushed cocoa finish, I believe. So just random sheet sets, body pillows, comforters. This guy actually made it from last week, which I was surprised. Kids floor lounger. This thing, you fill it up and it expands quite large. Let's see. outdoor light post. $150 for that guy. And just more lighting. And of course, all of our heater registers are $5 a piece. Austin Series ceiling fans. These guys should be, I want to say, $75 a piece. Again, more of those sound panels. Some of our lamps. Most of these look like they're about half and half ceramic, and the other ones are just regular old table lamps. $16 for the wedge pillows. $80 for the Edwin ceiling fan. Got some outdoor cushions across here. A little poof pillow. These here are $25 a piece. They are the Cascade folding chairs. Just two that's not in a box. 62-inch 3-blade indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. $150. This one is in black. And just some of the random lighting. Brother laser printers. These guys are actually both brand new. $175 a piece. $50 for the foot massager. And then the lighting. To get a little bit of new stuff in, we kind of reorganized. Like this guy here, 9-light Sputnik chandelier. That guy's $125. What else we got in here? Just random lights. Lots of them. There are some whole sets in here. I know like we have a lot of the Milo series, a lot of the Dion's. So can get a whole set for you. 2-tub sink, $80. $40 for just the tub. And the laundry tub, big enough to fit a dog, $125. A shower pan in there. There's some miscellaneous bathroom medicine cabinets. Some of our range hood vents. Oh, let's see, a couple little kitchen sinks. These are ones that are going to be pretty small. And that guy there is $25. See, kitchen sink, $150 for this one. This one is the farmhouse apron, no hole, in black. And a stainless steel Kohler. This guy's $500. We did post most of this stuff on Facebook, I believe, yesterday. So you can kind of scroll back, find specifications, stuff like that. See, $95 and $100 for those microwaves, $40 for the Kodas, $95 for the 13-foot core tents, $65 for the 10x10s. More of the Austin fans. Cedarcraft planter, self-watering, $100 for that guy, and $130. They're basically the same. This one just comes with the covers. There is a used pizza oven back in there for $100. Big old shower door kit, $400. And just some of the random beds and shelving units. Pellet patio smoker, or heater, sorry. $140 for those guys, and $78 for the propane. $3 a piece for any of the tomato cages. $177 for the Anderson double door retractable screen door. $90 for the pet door. $66 for the gate kit. A 24-inch shower door here. That one's $65. There's an entire tub surround by Delta. And there's a shower pan back there too. Those I know we did put up on Facebook. yesterday. 8x4 slat wall kit. Gonna be $100 even. Random just clothing, dog clothing, stuff like that. $20 queen size headboard. It is beat up. I'm almost positive it is queen, but it's all there. Just a random open box air fryers, a lot more parts. This has become our collect all hallway. Drawer pulls, more lighting, more air fryers. The Midea 12,000 BTU air conditioner. This is the model that the window folds all the way through. $190 for that guy. This wonderful heavy steel workbench. Normally, it's almost $1,200. $400. Just a random dig bin of stuff. $140 for the tent. $125 for the outdoor table. $70 for the dinosaur bookcase. $130 for the lifetime folding picnic table. We have one in the box and one out of the box. $28 for the 8-foot Tommy Bahama beach umbrellas. $22 for the Tommy Bahama beach chairs. $3.50 for the patio swing set. Got a lot of the Verideck planters. $26 a piece on those. $70 for the Keeter raised planter, and $45 for the deck, the hose boxes. $26 also for the troughed ones. This set here, outdoor kitchen. This thing has a retail of over $5,000. $2,500 for this guy. You've got the spot for your cooktop. This is all drawers. And then this here is some more shelves and pull out garbage can. Also, this piece here is kind of an end cap or a filler piece. But the whole set, $2,500. Well, let's back it up here. $10 a pair for the ski gloves. $10 a pair for the readers. A few toys in there, trucker hats, more. What do we got in there? Looks like Nicorette and brush on sunblock. What is that? Oh, the Kingmaker. This is some good stuff. Yeah, $16 a bottle for that stuff. And some more random open box stuff, singles, whatnot. Anything that's not tagged over there, like most of the plates, they're all $1 a piece. Tubes, $35. $10 for the pool raft. Some Epson printers down there. I did top off all the inks. I did print everything. They are in really good shape. $125 a piece for those. Mop heads. Oh, what is that? 24 pack for $60, and then there's a 16 pack down there. Oh, those are just multi-fold towels. $22. The retractable screen door kit. $95. They fit the standard height door from 30 to 36 inch. We did finally put one that's, you can actually see how it works. $100 for the wood picnic table. It's got a little built-in cooler down the center. Miscellaneous drains, blinds, carpeting. Oh, let's go back here. We've got the rain collection kit, $60. There's another one of the Cedar Craft planters, $100. 10 by 7 foot sliding barn door shed kit, $825. Like to be up front, someone did start to assemble this and stopped about halfway through and put it back in the box. just listed as too complicated for them. So it looks like it is all complete, but some of the pieces are built. Let's see, $87.50 for the LED umbrellas and 10-foot. $80 for the non-lit umbrellas. The 8 by 11-foot rectangular umbrellas, $107.50, and the 11-footers are $110. $375 for the square. Sorry, this got a little. There we go. Cantilever in tan with lights for $375. Lifetime deck box. This is a 165 gallon for $100. $75 for the poker table. $100 for the safe down there. See, $36 a piece for the Fiskars pole pruners. They also include a little handsaw. Trim in here is all $5 a piece. Little $5 mop handles. And the hallway of mirrors. So, example, that guy's $100. So that's normally a $200 mirror. Same with this one. That's normally $250. It's $125. Let's see. I have a bunch of different models in here. All different styles and types. Alright guys, I think that concludes our video walkthrough this week. Please be sure to like and share our videos. Again, we'll be here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Hope to see you all bright and early. Enjoy your Friday. Have a great evening. You guys all take care.